Coffee hits different when you're over 40. You've probably noticed it too. That first cup used to launch you into superhuman productivity mode, but now it feels like you're drinking expensive disappointment. By 10 a.m., you're already thinking about your second cup. And by noon, you're dragging yourself through meetings wondering if this is just what getting older feels like. Here's the truth nobody talks about. It's not aging that's sabotaging your energy. It's a perfect storm of 3 biological changes happening in your body right now. And once you understand them, you can flip the switch back to sustained energy that lasts all day. The coffee trap starts the moment you wake up. During sleep, your brain produces a molecule called adenosine. Think of adenosine as biological debris that accumulates while your brain works. Sleep naturally clears this debris away. But here's where it gets interesting. After 40, your sleep quality decreases by roughly 15% per decade. You're not getting the deep, restorative sleep needed to fully clear adenosine from your system. So you wake up with what I call an adenosine debt. Enter caffeine. Caffeine doesn't actually give you energy. Instead, it blocks adenosine receptors in your brain, masking the tiredness signal. It's like putting tape over your car's fuel gauge instead of actually filling the tank. The adenosine is still there, building up behind the caffeine blockade. When caffeine wears off around 4 hours later, all that accumulated adenosine floods back into your receptors at once. This creates the infamous afternoon crash that feels worse than the original tiredness. But here's where it gets even more complicated for people over 40. Your metabolism has shifted into what researchers call the storage first phase. When you were younger, incoming fuel went directly to your muscles and brain. Now, your body prioritizes storing that fuel as fat first, then releasing it slowly. This creates what I call fuel traffic congestion in your bloodstream. Picture your circulatory system as a highway. In your 20s and 30s, glucose moved freely from your stomach to your cells like cars on an empty freeway. After 40, it's like rush hour traffic. The glucose gets stuck in your bloodstream because your muscle cells have become less sensitive to insulin. Your pancreas responds by pumping out more insulin, creating an insulin surge that forces the glucose into storage rather than immediate energy production. This is why that morning bagel or afternoon granola bar leaves you feeling sluggish instead of energized. You're literally creating a traffic jam of fuel that can't reach your cells efficiently. The more processed carbohydrates you eat alone, the worse this congestion becomes. Your body goes into emergency storage mode, locking away the very fuel you need for sustained energy. The solution isn't another cup of coffee or a different energy drink. It's a 3-step reset system that works with your changed biology instead of fighting against it. Before I show you exactly how to implement this system, make sure you subscribe to this channel. We dive deep into age-specific health strategies that actually work for people over 40, and I don't want you to miss any of these game-changing insights. Step 1 is the glucose buffer strategy. Never eat naked carbohydrates again. Naked carbs are any source of glucose without accompanying protein, fat, or fiber. That morning toast, afternoon crackers, or evening pasta bowl creates instant fuel congestion. Instead, always pair your carbohydrates with a buffer. If you're having oatmeal, add Greek yogurt and chopped nuts. If you're eating an apple, pair it with almond butter. This combination slows glucose absorption and prevents the insulin surge that triggers storage mode. The science behind this is fascinating. Protein stimulates glucagon production, which directly counters insulin's storage signal. Fat triggers the release of hormones that slow gastric emptying, giving your cells time to actually use the incoming fuel. Fiber creates a physical barrier that moderates glucose absorption. Together, these buffers transform your bloodstream from a traffic jam into a well-organized flow of steady energy. Step 2 is the 90-second circulation reboot. Every 2 hours, perform this simple sequence. 30 seconds of marching in place, 10 bodyweight squats, 10 push-ups against a wall or desk, and 30 seconds of deep breathing. This isn't about fitness or burning calories. It's about mechanically moving glucose out of your bloodstream and into your muscle cells where it belongs. Here's what happens during those 90 seconds. The marching activates your largest muscle groups, creating an immediate demand for glucose. The squats and push-ups trigger what's called exercise-induced glucose uptake, which bypasses the normal insulin pathway entirely. Your muscles literally grab glucose from your bloodstream without waiting for insulin's permission. The deep breathing activates your parasympathetic nervous system, which optimizes nutrient delivery to your cells. Think of this as manually clearing your fuel traffic jam every 2 hours. You're not letting the congestion build up in the first place. Most people over 40 feel that 2 p.m. energy crash because they've been sitting in meetings or at desks for hours, allowing glucose to accumulate in their bloodstream instead of reaching their cells. Step 3 is functional hydration. Plain water isn't enough anymore. Your kidney function decreases by roughly 1% per year after 40, which affects how efficiently you process and utilize water. Add a tiny pinch of high-quality sea salt to every glass of water you drink. This provides the electrolytes your cells need for proper hydration at the cellular level. Here's the advanced strategy. Once a day, add a teaspoon of beetroot powder to your water. Beetroot contains natural nitrates that convert to nitric oxide in your body. Nitric oxide dilates your blood vessels, improving circulation and helping nutrients reach your cells more efficiently. It's like upgrading your highway system to handle traffic flow better. The timing matters too. Drink this enhanced water between meals, not with them. Drinking large amounts of liquid with food dilutes your digestive enzymes and can actually worsen nutrient absorption. Instead, hydrate strategically in the gaps between eating to support optimal circulation without interfering with digestion. This 3-step system addresses the root cause of your energy problems instead of masking them with more stimulants. You're working with your 40-plus biology instead of fighting against it. The glucose buffer prevents fuel congestion before it starts. The circulation reboot manually clears any backup that does occur. Functional hydration ensures your upgraded fuel system operates at peak efficiency. Most people notice a difference within 3 days of implementing this system. Your morning coffee actually works again because you're not fighting against accumulated adenosine debt and fuel traffic jams. Your afternoon energy stays stable because you're preventing the crashes that come from glucose storage mode. Your overall vitality improves because your cells are finally getting the fuel they need when they need it. Remember, this information is for educational purposes only and should not replace professional medical advice. Always consult with your healthcare provider before making significant changes to your diet or exercise routine, especially if you have underlying health conditions. The 40-plus energy system. Buffer your carbs, reboot your circulation, and hydrate functionally. Your younger self's energy is waiting on the other side of these simple changes.